Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Roblox Error Code 268. So all you have to do first is to go to your CMD or command prompt, run as administrator, and then here you just have to type the following. Okay, so first you just have to type ipconfig and then space slash flush DNS. After you type that one, all you have to do is to press enter. Now the second is you just have to type ipconfig space slash renew. Never mind the first one. There was a typo error above, but this one is the correct. Now tap enter. So this is what it looks like. Now below here, you have to type again. Okay, net sh space winsock space reset and then enter. And that's the last thing. Now you just have to type exit and then press enter. So it will exit your command prompt. Next is you just have to go to your control panel and then you just have to click here category or select category. Now go to network and internet and then go to network and sharing center. Now once you tap this one, you have to go to change adapter settings. Tap this one here and then go to your internet connection, Wi-Fi. Click properties. And then here you have to go to internet protocol, server, right click, and then go to properties. Now here you just have to tap this use the following DNS server. So you just have to type here 48 again. Okay, type 8888 above and then below in the second server, we have 884 and 4. After that, just click OK and then close. And then the very last thing to do is to simply restart your computer. So when you play your Roblox again, I hope it fixed Roblox error code 268. Thank you for watching this and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.